Hello. Like, before my shift ended, David walks in. I was maybe getting the broom and dustpan to stupid flies. Trying to ride faster because there's flies all over that want my due or something. And then I saw my name and like he put it in the back, and I didn't think Cassie and David. I don't know why three had just dragged out of my. I have some Holy shorts on. They're from Row 21. And then I have my striped shirt on from this morning. Shoot! And I will do a haul on it. This is gonna be like maybe my first bag that says Culver's on it. Oh, stupid flies. Sorry about that, viewers. I got a card that says happy anniversary. In it was some Butterbucks and a little sweet little note from David and Cassie. And there was 4 or 5 Butterbucks. And first thing I roll out, it's like a pink water bottle that says Culver's on it. And then the second thing, it was like a dark blue, thick jacket that says Culver's on it. It would work in the rain and that kind of stuff. It's just really warm out here. Hope Mr. Jack's okay. And get home, get him out, get the air conditioner on. If we're not going shopping, I might go tomorrow, like after work. I'll bump up some energy, like food or pop or something like that. I'm gonna do a haul on my anniversary present. I'm gonna get a lot of wishes from people. Like, happy anniversary. I can't believe it's probably Monday. Or this weekend, I don't know. I think it's the 16th, I think. Shoo! Bird that is. Long winds. I don't know if you guys saw it. Thank you, Cassie. Thank you, David. You're the best. I've been I'd ride my bike all the way down and turn around. Not go up the hill. I'll let you guys go. Have a wonderful day. I'll let you guys know what we're doing tonight. If they're doing hay, I'm staying home. And maybe eat a salad or my leftovers. If they make it at the bottom of my bag. They're really at the bottom of my bag. Tomorrow, I don't have room now because I have an anniversary present in my bag. Tomorrow, I'm going to the mall. I might go to Target, but I don't know yet where I want to get my shampoo and conditioner. If we do tonight, I won't go tomorrow. That's the plan. If we do go tonight, I'll get it tonight. If we don't, bus is in the shop right now. See what Hannah Banana's doing. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.